Hi friends, welcome to a cleaning video. So I am doing a 10 minutes of cleaning motivation just for you. I saw this around YouTube and I thought it'd be a great idea because sometimes you just need a quick video to get you moving. So I'm going to play a bunch of music for you and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you have any questions for me, let me know down in the comment section below and I'll get right back to you as soon as possible.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. Set up beat, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. Set up beat.
Stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get.
So I need to either iron this or steam it. It's a little wrinkly after the dryer, but I still am pretty pleased with how it turned out, and the stains are gone because I used some spray on that, and I think it looks really good. I just need to steam it or iron it.
When our eyes met, I never knew.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it brought you some motivation, and definitely have a blessed day, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a like and a share and a subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye now.